Hello friends, welcome to Study Made Easy with Parul. Today I am here with the detailed video based on the deleted syllabus for this year. Please like, subscribe, share and keep watching my more videos. Let us start with maths. In the first chapter real numbers, Euclid's division lemma along with question number 4 and 5 from exercise 1.1 have been cancelled. In the next chapter polynomials, question number 5 from exercise 2.3 is not generally considered for exams. When we move to the third chapter, linear equations, cross multiplication method has been cancelled. But it is advised to practice the exercises in other methods. The next chapter coordinate geometry, area of triangle is cancelled and the whole exercise 7.3 has also been removed. In the next chapter, triangles, two proofs have been cancelled, but all the exercises are still there. Proof number 1, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. And the next proof, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. The next chapter is construction. Construction of a triangle similar to the given triangle as per the scale factor has been cancelled. Page number 218 onwards it is cancelled. In trigonometry, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles has been removed from the syllabus. So exercise 8.3 has been deducted. In area related to circles, problems on central angle 120 degree are removed. When we come to surface area and volumes, all the questions which are based on the area and volume of frustum of a cone is deleted. And in statistics, the step deviation method for finding mean and the ogive or the graphical method has been removed. It starts from page number 289. The completing square method is deducted from quadratic equations. However, other methods can be used to solve the exercise 4.3. In arithmetic progressions, application-based word problems related to sum to n terms have been removed. But smaller and simple sums need to be practiced. Soon I'll be back with 30% reduced syllabus videos on other subjects. Keep watching. Thank you and have a great day.